Hello, welcome to the channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to play the John Carpenter's 2018 version of Halloween. So I've linked in the description box below the video that I've based this off. So we're going to break this down into 4 different sections and then they all just repeat. You need to be playing really low down in your left hand and then pretty high up in your right hand. So this one is in a slightly odd time signature. It's 5 beats in a bar. So we're going to start with the right hand first. So the intro, so we've got C sharp and F, and then there's a D in there as well. So this is like the first shape, if you like. So it's going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the intro, it repeats that 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the left hand comes in with that. If you can, I'm going to play it here just to get it all in the shot. But you play, if you can, if you have a 88 key piano, play this all the way down there. So we've got F sharps, and then it comes up to A, and then B flats, and then the right hand changes. So if I show you how to put that together, so F sharp first, and then A's, and then the right hand moves everything you just played down by a semitone. So then it's going C, F, F, C, F, F, C, C sharp. Like that. And then with that, we have B flats. And then it does that again. And then that whole thing repeats from the F sharp again. It changes to the C. So the next section then, the right hand is moving down again to B and E this time. So it's going same pattern. So it does that twice. And then in the left hand, we've got E's and then G's. If you can't stretch a full octave and if you don't have the hand span, just play the lowest note that you can. So ideally it would be all the way down here. But I'm going to show you it here. So with that we've got E, and then it moves to G with the same in the right hand. And the right hand is moving down again by a semitone. So this time we've got B flat, E flat, B flat, E flat, B flat, then B. And then with that in the left hand, we've got a G sharp. And it does that twice as well. And then that entire section repeats. So let's play that section we've just done all the way through. So from the B's and the E's. Okay, and then the last section, it moves down then to F sharp and B, and then with that G. So it's going F sharp, B, F sharp, F sharp, G. So. And it does that 4 times. And then the left hand with that is going B, and then it moves up to D, and then it moves up to E, and then F sharp. And then that whole section repeats as well. So let's try that together. and then the entire thing repeats. But in between it repeating from the beginning again, we have another one of these, and then it moves back up to the very first position, so the C sharp and the F sharp position, and it does that, it runs through that 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, and then the whole thing repeats again. So let's try the entire thing from the very beginning, slowly, all the way through. And then that concludes all the sections. The piece also ends how it starts as well. So I hope that's been useful. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comment section below what you thought of the new Halloween film, if you've seen it. I've linked in the screen as well some other Halloween type themes that you could go off and learn, like the Walking Dead theme and Samara's song from The Ring, so go check those out. Please like this video and subscribe to Bitesize Piano for many more piano tutorials like these. I look forward to talking with you all in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!